The ingredients we have is applesauce, toothpaste, cottage cheese, flour, ketchup, mustard, cheese whiz, buffalo, jelly, eggs, dog food, marijuana, marinara sauce, cottage cheese, pickles, chicken broth, sardines, baby oil, chocolate syrup, chicken feet, slime. Yeah. And wait, hold on, chat. Mike, there's a pocket there. Milk. They have milk too.
Yeah, hour is a good time. Hour. Like, hour's good. Hour's good.
Production, if y'all can hear me, we need a, hold on.
Hold on. You back. You.
No, I don't know. I have skill. Yeah, skill. You fly. Bro, man. Yeah, it's drunks. Yeah.
Purple with the 5 gifted. Chat, how do y'all wanna do? Chat, how do y'all wanna do the subs? Look at you, you dumb. Look at you.